Hello students, let us continue exercise 13.3 NCERT exemplar. Now we discuss sample question number 1. The surface area of a sphere of radius 5 cm is 5 times the area of the curved surface area of a cone of radius 4 cm. Find the height and the volume of the cone. Again repeat, surface area of the sphere of radius 5 cm is 5 times the area of the curved surface area of cone of radius 4 cm. Radius of sphere is 5 cm and radius of cone is 4 cm. Surface area of sphere is equal to 5 times the curved surface area of the cone. Now first we draw a diagram. This is your sphere of radius 5 cm and this is your cone of radius 4 cm. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. R is 5, so we write 5 into 5. 4 pi r square, 5 5 25, 4 100 pi centimeter square. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Pi r is 4 L as it is centimeter square. Given that surface area of a sphere is equal to 5 times curved surface area of cone. So we write surface area of sphere is 100 pi equal to 5 multiply curved surface area of cone is 4 pi L. 4 pi L. Now pi cancel out. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 5 जा 20, 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 25. That is 5 equal to slant height, that is L. L equal to 5 centimeter, slant height of the cone. Now H square equal to R square equal to L square. R is 4 centimeter. R is 4 centimeter and L is 5 centimeter. So we write 4 square, that is 16. 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. H is equal to root 25 minus 16, that is root 9. Root 9 is 3. H equal to 3 centimeter. Volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square H is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r. R is 4. So we write 4 into 4, 16. Value of H is 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 16 pi. 16 pi can be write 22 upon 7 into 16. And their calculation 352 upon 7 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone. Now next question number 2. The radius of a sphere is increased by 10%. Prove that the volume will be increased by 33.1% approximately. Again repeat. Radius of a sphere is increased by 10%. Prove that volume will be increased by 33.1% approximately. Volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. New radius, original radius plus 10% of original radius. 10% of original radius. Now we write r plus 10 upon 100 multiply r. 0 0 cancel out. We get r upon 1 plus r upon 10. Now take LCM 10. So we write 10 r plus 1 r. 10 r plus 1 r is 11 r upon 10. 11 r upon 10. 11 r upon 10. Volume of a sphere equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R is 11 r upon 10 whole cube. This is your new r, new radius. Now we write 4 upon 3 pi 11 r whole cube can write 1331 r cube upon 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Now 1331 divided by 1000, we write 1.31 1.331 multiply 4 pi upon 3 r cube. Increased volume, this is your new volume. Increased volume equal to new volume minus given volume. New volume is 1.331 into 4 pi upon 3 r cube, and given volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is your given volume. Now take common 4 pi upon 3 r cube, we get 1.331 multiply 1 minus 1. Now 4 upon 3 pi r cube multiply 0.331. This is your subtraction. Percent increased volume equal to increased multiply 100 upon original volume. This is your increased volume. Increased volume increased multiply 100 upon original value percent. So we write increased volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 0.331 multiply 100 upon original volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi cancel, r cube cancel, we get 0.331 multiply 100%. Now we write 33.1%. This is your required answer. Now we discuss exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Metal sphere each of radius 2 cm are packed into a rectangular box of internal dimensions 16 cm, 8 cm, 8 cm. When 16 spheres are packed, the box is filled with preservative liquid. Find the volume of this liquid. Give your answer to the nearest integer. Now, internal volume of a rectangular box equal to length multiply height multiply breadth. Length multiply breadth multiply height, and their calculation is 1024 cm cube. Volume of one sphere equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and radius is 2 cm. So we write 2 cube. 2 cube mean 8. 16 4 ja 64. Multiply 8. Multiply 3.14 upon 3. And their calculation we get 535.84 centimeter cube. When 16 spheres are packed in the box, so volume of preservative liquid in the box equal to volume of box minus volume of 16 sphere. Volume of box minus volume of 16 sphere, that is 1024 minus 535.84 centimeter cube. We get 488.16 centimeter cube. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 13.3 in your fair notebook.